Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. First question, the central banking functions in India are performed by the options है CBI, RBI, SBI या PNB. Right answer option B, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. RBI established 1935, headquarter Mumbai and Governor Shakti Kanta Das. Next question. Development expenditure of the central government does not include. Answer option A, defense expenditure. Defense expenditure is also known as military expenditure. It is the amount of financial resource dedicated by a state. Next question. ICICI is the name of a. Answer option D, financial institution. Financial institution is also known as banking institutions. It founded 1472. Gilt-edged market means. Answer option B, market of government securities. In the last 1 decade, which one among the following sectors has attracted the highest foreign direct investment inflows into India? Answer option D, telecommunication. If all the banks in an economy are nationalized and converted into a monopoly bank, the total deposits. Answer option C, will neither increase nor decrease. India changed over to the decimal system of coinages. Answer option B, April 1957. The association of the rupee with pound sterling as the intervention currency was broken in. Answer option C, 1992. On which one of the following is the benefits received principle of taxation to achieve optimality basis? Answer option D, ability to pay for the benefit. On July 12, 1982, the ARDC was merged into. Answer option B, NABARD. Its full form is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Founded 12 जुलाई 1982. इसका हेडक्वार्टर है मुंबई में और इसके एजेंसी एक्सिक्यूटिव है हर्ष कुमार बनवाला. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following is the most appropriate cause of export surplus? Answer option C, developments in national and international markets. If the cash reserve ratio is lowered by the RBI, its impact on credit creation will be to. Answer option A, increase it. Which of the following items would not appear in a company's balance sheet? Answer option C, revenue from sales of the company's products. The currency convertibility concept in its original form originated in. Answer option B, Bretton Woods Agreement. It created in 1944. In the state of India, the state financial corporation have given assistance mainly to develop. Answer option D, medium and small scale industries. The central cooperative banks are in direct touch with. Answer option B, state cooperative banks. The first wholly Indian bank was set up in. Answer option B, 1894. States earn maximum revenue through. Answer option C, commercial taxes. Debenture holders of a company are its. Answer option B, creditors. Excise duty is a tax levied on the. Answer option C, production of goods. Which of the following is the first Indian private company to sign an accord with government of Myanmar for oil exploration in 2 offshore blocks in that country? Answer option B, Essar Oil. It is an Indian multinational and constructions company. इट फाउंडेड 1969। अब फाउंडर इनके हैं शशि रुइया एंड रवि रुइया और इसका हेडक्वार्टर मुंबई में है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नॉन टैक्स रेवेन्यूज कैन बी इंक्रीज्ड बाय इम्प्रूविंग द वर्किंग ऑफ द आंसर ऑप्शन सी कमर्शियल इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट्स। Which of the following is not viewed as a national debt? Answer option C national saving certificate. The national saving certificate is a fixed income investment scheme that you can open with any post office. Next question. The condition of indirect taxes in country's revenue is approximately. Answer option D 86%. Deficit financing means that the government borrows money from the answer RBI Reserve Bank of India. Revenue of the state governments are raised from the following sources except answer option C agricultural income tax. Since the inception of the cooperative movement, rural credits has been answer option D all of the above. If an economy is equilibrium at the point where plans to save and to invest are equal, then government expenditure must be answer option B equal to government income. The cooperative credit societies have a answer option B three-tier structure. Three-tier system means a system that has three distinct levels. These three tiers are importers or producers, distributors and retailers. Next question. The Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstructions BIFR came into existence in answer option C 1987. इसके चेयरमैन है निर्मल सिंह और ये है न्यू दिल्ली में। नेक्स्ट है व्हाट इज एक्साइज ड्यूटी? इज इट कलेक्टेड बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट और द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट? हाउ इज इट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम सेल टैक्सेस? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एक्साइज ड्यूटी इज अ टैक्स ऑन मैन्युफैक्चरर और प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गुड्स। Excise duty on alcohol, alcoholic preparations and narcotic substance is collected by the state government and is called state excise duty. The excise duty on rest of goods is called central excise duty and is collected in terms of section 3 of the Central Excise Act 1944. Next is sales tax. Sales tax is different from the excise duty as former is a tax on the act of sale while the latter is a tax on the act of manufacture or production of goods. Friends, thank you for watching this video.